Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly UV unwrap any 3D model in Blender using the Smart UV project method, which is one of the fastest ways to create usable UVs. For this example, I'm using a low-poly rabbit model that I downloaded from itch.io. You can find the download link in the description below. Let's jump right in. First, we need to open the UV workspace. Move your mouse to the corner of the Blender window, then drag from the corner to split the window. Change the new panel's editor type to UV editor. Let's start by creating UVs for the ears. Select the ear faces from the rabbit model. Now go to the UV editor, click Open, and select your custom texture image. Once you click Open, the image will appear in the UV editor panel. This will act as our reference for placing the UV islands. Now select your model in the 3D viewport. Press Tab to go into Edit mode, then press A to select all parts of the model. At the top menu, click UV. Then choose Smart UV Project. This is one of the fastest ways to unwrap models, especially for low-poly assets. Once Blender finishes the operation, you will see the UV unwrap appear automatically in the UV editor. If you want different results, you can also try options like Unwrap, Angle-Based, or Project from View. These methods sometimes give better results depending on your camera perspective. Now we need to place the UV island correctly on the texture. In the UV editor, switch to Island Selection mode. Select the whole island. Press G to move the island. Press S to scale it. Move and scale it until it fits the correct area of the texture image. If you need more precise control, you can switch to vertex or edge selection and move individual points. Next, let's apply the texture to the model. In the 3D viewport, switch to Material Preview mode. Then split the window again below the viewport. Change the new panel to Shader Editor. Right-click in the node graph, choose Add, Texture, Image Texture. Select the same reference image. Now connect the color output of the image texture node to the base color input of the principled BSDF shader. You should now see the texture applied to the ears in the viewport. Now repeat the same process for other parts of the model, such as the arms. Select the faces of that part, unwrap them using Smart UV Project, and position the UV islands on the texture. Also remember to assign the correct material to that mesh part. And that's it. That's one of the fastest ways to UV unwrap a model in Blender, especially when working with low-poly assets for games or stylized characters. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.